I keep saying that I think the young guys of today, they all have a crush on that Sana lady, and it's she's causing relationship issues with many people. I know.
I'm so happy.
But did you get laughed at initially when you decided on that?
No, I think everyone was kind of excited by it. Some people, obviously, detractors, sour grapes will, right? But I think when we created her 2 years ago, it was just so amazing what we could do. And then over the 2 years, she's become better and better and better and faster and easier to do things with her. And then since then, of course, we've done Anjana 2.0 and Shweta 2.0, right? So technology has moved so fast there. And that's, again, goes back to our first DNA, right? You get a new technology, you jump in. Feet first, right? Then swim hoga to swim hoga. Otherwise you would sink. Dekhi jayegi, right? So that was
That's
the whole
so
idea.
If you...
Yeah, dekhi jayegi. That was part of what Sana's experiment was, and it flew, right?
Okay.
And now we've done more. So we keep learning, right? Because if you're in there, then every update you learn something new. And so now the new updated Sana is going to look even better than this Sana.
Not just anchor, AI in the newsroom.
Yes.
Are you okay with that? Because many journals are very worried that it's going to take away their jobs. Researchers are going to be redundant. Do you see that as a positive, as a negative?
Look, we are working a lot with AI even in workflow. Right now, I have not seen any loss of jobs because of AI. Something may happen in the future, right? But right now, for example, Sana has a surrogate human editor. Okay, now that's a new
Obviously,
job. It didn't exist, right?
Yeah.
And everything that AI does has to still be supervised. We're not in a place where you do something on AI and workflow and it goes, right? In fact, it's increased the amount of work that humans need to do because AI can process stuff so much faster.
Yeah.
But somebody still needs to review it. Right,
but
before
we
it
need to
goes on.
upskill ourselves, right? In the sense that
Yes.
3 sources you got AI research, you need to put your human brain to it to see कि ये सही है कि नहीं है, you know, is this right or not? You know,
but that also goes back to experience and expertise, right?
Yeah.
And again with AI, right? In the first phase, maybe we had 2 ambassadors, and I really had to push the newsroom, saying, okay, you have run an entire day, and I have not seen one AI image on television. This is not on. Like, what's going on? That means you're not deep diving, right? So I'm pushing them into the pool because unless they test it, they get their hands dirty, it's never going to happen.
Okay.
And so I did that, really had to push them, dhakka, 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 dhakka. Then once they've jumped in and they realize what it can do, now I have to do nothing. Now I just sit back and enjoy the fun.
Also graphics, everything happens faster.
So much faster, so much better. And as you use it more, you can make it more fine-tuned to what you want. And it's improving. Like I remember the first covers that our chief AI officer, now he's chief AI officer, when he was doing the work, he wasn't chief AI officer, he was just head of design in India Today, right? He started creating covers for India Today, right? And you had to get you had that zombie stare.
Yeah.
You could immediately tell.
Now
there's no way.
Yeah.
You just can't tell because the skin tone has improved, that zombie stare is gone. It just improves all the time. You know, it's like galloping
But
speed.
sometimes it's cringe, some of the...
Yeah, some of it is cringe. But all of life, some of it is cringe, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, meaning you can't get away from cringe.
Namaste, Jai Hind. You're watching ANI podcast with Smita Prakash.
अगर हम उसको मस्जिद कहेंगे तो फिर विवाद होगा।
The issue is टूटा है क्या भारत?
400 पार का मतलब ये है कि संविधान खतरे में है।
क्या हम लोग ये निर्देश देते हैं कि फला को गिरफ्तार करके जेल डाल दो?
वही तो कह रहे हैं सब।
ये बेबुनियाद निराधार आरोप।
सच्चा सुनना चाहो देखो स्मिता प्रकाश ANI, it does not lie.